Mining.com.au is here with Jaxon Crabb, the Business Development Manager for the Gold Coast Investment Showcase. Jaxon, what an event this year. Thank you so much for having us.
Well, thank you, Shae. You always make it so entertaining for our presenting companies and the great video and content that you capture. We greatly appreciate your support and mining.com.au. But yes, here we are on the beautiful Gold Coast.
Now, once again, cracker of an event, great room here. Tell me, what do you think keeps bringing investors back to this event?
Well, I think it's the quality of companies. This year we changed it up a little bit. We allowed it to be a bit more diverse. So we've got some biotech companies presenting. We've got some tech companies, energy, a gas company out of Botswana. But we've also got what we know best, and that's the resources companies. A lot of gold, as you'd imagine. Got a couple of silver companies, a couple of copper companies, but in particular gold. And we just come out of the panel session talking everything about gold. And, you know, if even I'm tempted to go and buy some physical gold after how bullish most of the panelists were about gold going forward.
It's fantastic. I might know a person or two who can recommend where to start. But just to sort of round out today's event, what do you think keeps bringing investors back to conferences in general? Like, what can we get from conferences that we can't get online?
Well, we can get the intimate connection with the people that represent the company, first and foremost. At this show, as opposed to some of our RIU shows, we go with a bit more relaxed style. The exhibitors just have a table. It's a lot more approachable. And we find that the demographic of audience, which is typical to be a retiree retail investor that comes to this show, they're very much interested in not just listening to the presentation, but then being able to meet the representatives from the company, and then they form their investment strategy based on that. So there's nothing better, is there, Shae, than getting up close and personal with someone and seeing how passionate they are about their company, and then that generally decides on whether or not you want to invest.
I completely agree. It's the off-the-cuff conversations that are so valuable when it comes to investing in shares. Now, I don't think I can keep you for much longer. The networking drinks are in full swing. I'd like to go join them. Listen, Jaxon, thanks again for having us. This has been a great event.
Once again, thank you, Shae, and thank you, mining.com.au. But special mention to MST Financial for sponsoring the drinks that's happening behind us. So thanks to them.